guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm just going to be doing a little day in my life video. I want to start doing more of these just to like record my day. I used to always vlog my days even if I wasn't posting them. I used to just always have my camera with me and I miss doing that. So I want to get back on it and start showing you guys also a little bit more into my life. It is currently like 11:30. It's probably 12 by now. I've just been taking a slow morning and I have about an hour drive right now. I'm going to the Byee warehouse and I'm going to be shooting some TikToks for them. But right now I'm eating my breakfast. I have zero food at my house because I just moved to a new house. I feel like so much has happened that I haven't like told you guys about. I did recently move and I had no fridge for like 2 weeks, maybe almost 2 weeks, and I finally got a fridge yesterday, but I have zero food. So I've just been living off of outside food and my maruchans. So this is my breakfast because I really don't want to go buy anything. I'm not like the biggest breakfast person. I'm more of a lunch and dinner person, so I'm eating lunch. I mean, it's almost 1, so it's fine. I'm sorry if there's a mess in the back. I'm still not fully done unpacking, I guess. I'm eating the chili and lime shrimp flavor. Let me know what's your guys' favorite flavor of cup of noodles or maruchan or whatever. I think my favorite honestly is just like the chicken, the regular chicken. This one's good too though. This is probably my second favorite. In all honesty, I prefer the like little maruchan packets instead of the cups. They just taste so much better. Also, if you're wondering why I'm eating in my room, it's because I have no table yet either. Plus, I like eating in my room instead, so I'm eating on my desk. I don't really know what else I'm doing today. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out there. I'm gonna be kind of far and then I'm gonna get bad traffic coming back, so I don't even know if I'm gonna come back like during the day or if I'm gonna let traffic die down. But I really want to go shoot for my new Streetless job because I have been holding on to the new job for so long. I just haven't like gone out to shoot and I'm really mad at myself for that. So I need like to make sure my friends and like my friend who's gonna take the pictures are available. This turned into like a mukbang, but I just feel like I haven't talked to like the camera in so long. So I'm just gonna finish this really fast and then I'm gonna be going to the Byee warehouse like I said, and then I'll keep you guys updated on what I do for the rest of the day. I just got to the car wash. Gotta be prepared at all times. I actually need a vacuum too because I had my dog Ollie in here and he sheds so freaking bad. Look at this. Like, and this is putting a towel on top of the seat. It still gets in. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm at the car wash. My car is filthy, so I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse. So it is actually the next day. I did not finish vlogging yesterday. I did do stuff yesterday. Like I went to a car meet, I went out to eat with my friends, and like, I don't know. I went to the car wash again to wash my wheels because my wheels were filthy again, even though I had went to the car wash that morning. But you know, that drive there and back was just not it. I don't know why I didn't keep vlogging honestly, but I'm going to make this into a little 2-day vlog type of thing. Right now I'm with my friends. We're gonna eat some Buffalo Wild Wings and then we're gonna go shoot for Streetless. Finally, I've been waiting to go shoot. So we're gonna do that and then I'm gonna shoot some of the TikToks for the steering wheels that I got yesterday. I know this is super random, but today I'm making it my mission to find some Dippin' Dots ice cream. I was talking about it last night and now I want some. It's been years since I had some and I feel like I used to always go when I was like really little. So I'm gonna find some and I'm very excited if we do find it. Eat some Buffalo Wild Wings and I'm so excited because we were supposed to go to Buffalo Wild Wings yesterday, but it was like a 2-hour wait, so we just got tacos. I'm gonna show you guys the steering wheels after. They're in my trunk.
It's really hot outside.
Yeah, it's really hot. Waiting for Hugo and Pink to come too. So, what did they say? What's the wait time?
You should get no wait time. We got a table already.
This is what I'm getting. 10 wings. 10 wings, lemon pepper, and buffalo mild. And yes, I get boneless. And some wedges.
What's up, guys? This is Juan, Ali. You got Pank here with his camera. Hey, Pank, say what's up.
If we put something out in the universe, like, it happens, right?
Here's what I got.
Now I gotta eat all.
These are so good. Don't worry, Pink, I'll help you eat. Here we are. I got my leftovers.
Wait, what? Hey, you gotta get a slice on ball.
Where are you going? So bright. This is our first attempt to find Dippin' Dots. Pink has the big boy camera. We're in Daiso. They have so many little Hello Kitty stuff. Look at these little magnets. I can use that to wash the dishes. Sharpener. Fancy zip bag. I'm getting this one thing. It's a Hello Kitty fork that I'm gonna leave in my car.
Put those matcha teas. Yeah.
What happened?
Come on, it's going down my throat.
I'm gonna try the strawberry milk.
What? It's really good.
Let me try it.
Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik. I don't like that.
I dropped on one.
How is it?
No flavor.
Good?
Guys, look at what I found. It was in the Dave & Buster's. Wait, they have cookie dough? I want to try both.
We still didn't find Dippin' Dots? These are mini though.
It's close enough.
No, it's not. It's not gonna taste.
It's close enough. Give me the banana split one.
Whoa.
I want to go to an actual Dippin' Dots store.
Do those exist anymore?
There's one in like West Covina, I think. There's like none left. Imagine the fall.
It's gonna make it like that. I want it to fall from higher.
No.
Do you get a spoon with it? Or it's inside,
Yeah, it's inside. Okay, let's
Let's
try
see.
it.
5 plus.
But I needed it.
This looks worse than Dippin' Dots.
No, it's not.
The search continues. Let's go look throughout the mall and find the Dippin' Dots machine.
It tastes like Dippin' Dots. We're back in the car. It is so hot outside. I just don't want to do anything anymore. We found the Dippin' Dots, which wasn't Dippin' Dots. It was a knockoff version, but it was fine. But I got really full from it, and I got water because I was so thirsty. So this is one of the steering wheels. This is super nice. I want to see how it looks on my car. Gantera one. This one is super nice too. I like these. We're on this like weird empty street, but there's like cars that keep passing by, so I filmed like 2 of the TikToks. Look at one of the steering wheels. It looks so good, honestly. OMG. But look at the sunset.
Sorry.
There's a bunch of cars that have been coming in. I really like this steering wheel. It feels really, really good, honestly. I want to keep it on, but I didn't connect my horn to it, so. I like the shirt. Pink took some pictures too, some product shots. Came to get some boba. I'm excited. This is one of my favorite bobas, so we finished our boba. We're just chilling outside, but now we're heading home. It's almost 10 o'clock and I am so tired. We're gonna continue shooting tomorrow because we didn't finish the video because the way I want to film the peaker, I want to get Ollie, my dog, to be in it too. So tomorrow we're gonna get him and continue shooting and taking more pictures. And I'm so excited to release everything. Hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.